This video provides a detailed guide and demonstration of the entire POP4 calibration, covering 4 parts: preparation, calibration practice, accuracy check, and the calibration process. Let's start with the preparation steps. 1. Ensure the computer is connected to a power supply and the scanner is successfully connected. 2. Adjust the ambient light to avoid environments that are too dark or too bright. 3. Take out the calibration board from the black velvet bag and place it horizontally on the desk. 4. Click Calibration in the lower left corner of the software interface to enter the calibration program. Turn the calibration board over. Then hold the scanner approximately 25 to 30 centimeters away and scan the QR code to import the calibration board's metrology information. Once the data is loaded, let's move on to the practice session. 1. You can view the operation diagram before practicing to familiarize yourself with the relevant operations. 2. Click Start Practice. Place the calibration board horizontally and complete the calibration practice at the specified height. After practice, proceed to the accuracy check section. Click Start Calibration. Hold the scanner in a horizontal position and follow the software prompts to complete the calibration at 4 different distances. Once the check is complete, the software will automatically calculate the scanner's accuracy. If the result passes, click Complete to return to the home page or continue with calibration. If the result fails, choose to recheck or continue calibration. After entering the calibration process, you need to follow the progress bar at the top of the interface to complete calibration in 5 orientations: vertical, left, right, front, and back. During the process, you can refer to the operation diagrams displayed on the left side of the interface. First is the vertical direction, which requires completing calibration at 6 different heights. Hold the scanner and move it according to the prompts, adjusting the sliders for camera pitch, camera tilt, and camera height until they enter the white target area and turn green. Then align the scanner with the center of the calibration board until the center crosshair also turns green. Hold this position for approximately 3 seconds. Next is the left direction, which requires completing calibration at 5 different heights. After positioning the scanner vertically above the calibration board, tilt it 20 degrees to the left. Move the scanner according to the prompts until sliders in all 3 adjustment bars turn green and the center crosshair also turns green. Hold this position for approximately 3 seconds. For the right, front, and back directions, simply follow the software prompts and repeat the same procedure. Once the entire calibration process is complete, the software will display the calibration results. If the accuracy passes, click Save, and the software will automatically write the results. If the calibration fails, you will need to recalibrate. After the software finishes writing the results, it will display Calibration Completed. Click Complete to return to the launch page. After the scanner automatically restarts and reconnects to the software, you can proceed with scanning.